The Dow is just, let's call it 3 minutes. 3 minutes away from closing over 24,000 for the first time ever. I'm being told by Charlie Brady, our managing editor, that this is not the first time we've crossed a 1,000 mark and closed there on the same day, but it is still rare. So let's bring in superstar trader Stephen Guilfoyle, known as Sarge. Okay, the tree's lit. The markets are lit even brighter. Why? I asked Mike Novogratz in the commercial break. He said it is all the tax reform plan. Do
you realize that 2018 S&P 500 earnings right now are projected about $146 in aggregate? Mm-hmm. If you give me this 20% corporate tax rate, that goes to $165. Even if you knock it up to like 22%.
Or 25. The UBS guy made the call that 6.5% rise in S&P earnings, even if the corporate rate goes to only 25%.
Oh, that's true. It's 100% true. And we've gotten to where we've gotten on earnings. All right. There's been a million reasons. The macro has been supportive. Global growth in 8 out of 10 big economies. That's all fine and good. But we trade stocks based on fundamentals and technicals. And we're going to have much better fundamentals next year. 2 minutes remaining before we possibly see this big move here, closing above 24,000. Folks, we're 24,267. Big rally today. Sarge, I would be remiss, and people would rightly attack me if I didn't at least say, does it feel a bit frothy here to have this many 1,000-point moves in a year, 5, this would be the 5th, and such a heavy rally? If the tax bill goes through, will there be a big sell-off, selling on the news? There will be a sell the news event. That's probably within a couple of days of passage. I would think, not this passage, but the passage when there is a combined bill.
If that happens, what are you buying?
Oh, I'm still buying the names I've liked all along. I'm still buying Kohl Stores. I'm still buying Intel. I'm still buying Kratos Defense, which I had sold a few months ago when it was peaking around $12, $13. Now it came into my price again. It's in the 10s. It's a cheap defense stock for those of you who don't want to pay $200, $300 for Lockheed, Raytheon, GE, General Dynamics, and all of those names.
Well, by the way, the ticker symbol for that, in case people are driving and want to look at it later, KRTS.
KTOS.
KTOS, Kratos Defense. All right, as we look at this final couple of seconds before that bell rings, what will keep you up at night, if anything?
North Korea. North Korea is the only thing that keeps me up at night. Even though I'll benefit because of my investment in the defense names, I will feel like the market will take a severe hit. You're going to have to go to gold. Bitcoin would even see a pop on that, but it would be gold. Gold would benefit the most in that scenario, and the markets and the economy would take a hit.
Well, gold not shining nearly as brightly today. It's down $8 or $9 here, but the markets look to close well above 24,000. In fact, close to session highs. Dow Jones Industrials gaining 337 points. Bring out that confetti, 24,273.